Hi, my name is Miles LeBaron with LeBaron and Jensen. I'm an attorney here in Layton, and we also have Ogden offices where we can help you with your legal needs. Today I'm going to be talking to you about wills and trusts and the difference between the two, and actually we're going to split it up into several videos. So this first segment I'm going to talk about what is a will. So a will is a written document, or it could be in your own handwriting. It doesn't have to be printed out and all professional with notary signatures and everything. However, I would suggest that if you're going to do a will, that you spend some money on it and actually have an attorney draft it. The important things to include in a will are who your heirs or your devisees. There are a lot of different names that we use in the law, but who's going to get the stuff, right? And who's going to be the person in charge. The person in charge here in Utah is usually called the personal representative. You might have also heard the term executor. So the executor or the personal representative is the person who's going to actually be in charge of what happens to the stuff. So those are the two people that you have to identify when you're putting together a will. Now, one of the things about a will that I think is a big problem is that a will has to be probated. Well, what does that mean? Probate. That means that you have to file papers with the court. You actually have to put the will, the original will, or a copy if you don't have the original. You have to file it with the court, and then the court supervises the distribution of those assets. Now, that could be a good thing if you're concerned that your personal representative or your executor isn't going to handle things properly. But for most people, they trust their executor, personal representative, and when they are really educated about it, they realize that it can be expensive and it can be a real time drain on the person who is handling the probate of the estate, the personal representative. It can really be taxing on them to handle all that. And so for that reason, I honestly can't remember the last time I prepared a will for someone, because I always try to steer the client in the direction of a trust. And so our next video, I'm going to talk about why a trust as opposed to a will, what it is, and how it's better. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and look that up for next time. Thank you.